Hey guys, I just wanted to give an update, 2-year update on the Thor kitchen French door refrigerator that we bought. Give some insights into what's held up, what we still like, and some issues that we've had. Overall, the finish has held up well over the past 2 years. Not too many scratches. We did have a case where this handle came off, but I was able to take an Allen wrench, tighten that set screw back down, and it's been solid ever since. The noise level has been pretty consistently quiet. I rarely hear the compressor coming on full blast. Temperature seems to be holding consistently. I haven't had any issues with food in the refrigerator that's too warm or too cold. Haven't had any issues with freezing in the refrigerator portion. Biggest complaint that we've had is with the ice maker. We've had it occasionally not make ice for us. I'm not sure what's going on. I've had to play with the ice maker mechanism. It seems like this mechanism could be possibly freezing up, where we have to pull it out, defrost it for it to make ice again. Another thing that we've noticed at times is if this door doesn't completely close, even if there was say if this bag was in the way of the seal, the door would appear to be closed, but it would allow just enough of an opening that the freezer compartment ices up. And so we've had to turn the freezer off, defrost it, and then reload it, and then it's fine, but keep that in mind. Overall, after 2 years, I'm still happy with the purchase. We saved a lot of money on this fridge compared to other name brand fridges. Looks attractive still, and functions as intended for the most part.